In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change currency in Banggood App 2025, step by step. By the end of this guide, you'll know exactly how to switch the currency shown on Banggood so prices appear in the money you use every day. This helps you compare costs quickly and avoid doing mental conversions while you shop. Start by opening your preferred web browser. Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari all work the same way for this. In the address bar, type banggood.com and load the home page. Although the title mentions the app, the process we're using here is the website version, which mirrors what you'll see on most devices and is the most reliable way to update your currency setting. Once the site is open, look toward the top right corner of the page. You should see a small currency label such as USD, EUR, PHP, or another three-letter code. Depending on your screen size, it may appear beside other quick settings like language or region, or as a tiny globe or flag icon that opens a small panel. If your window is very narrow, try maximizing it or rotating your phone to landscape so the top header is fully visible. Click the currency code. A drop-down list will appear with available currencies. This list can be long, so scroll if you don't see yours right away. Be sure you're selecting the currency option, not the language or region setting, since those are separate controls and won't change how prices are displayed. Choose your preferred currency, for example Philippine peso if you're shopping from the Philippines. After you select it, the page will automatically refresh. When it reloads, you'll notice prices across the site switch to the currency you chose. You should see the new currency on the home page, product listings, product detail pages, and when you add items to the cart. If the page doesn't refresh on its own, simply reload it once. On some devices, you may need to close and reopen the tab for the change to take effect. Keep in mind this setting affects display prices. Final charges at checkout still depend on your payment method and bank's exchange rate, and shipping fees are calculated separately. If you also need to change your region, that's a different setting in the same area. To double check everything worked, open any product page and confirm the price tag shows your selected currency. You can switch back at any time by repeating the same steps. That's it. You've successfully changed the currency on Banggood. Happy shopping and see you in the next one.